Hi, we're coming at you with a grow your own sunflower seed starter kit, and we're going to race. We've got 3 sunflowers to grow, so let's see what we have here. Okay, we've got some pots, some soil, and we have our seeds, sunflower seeds. Let's see, what do these look like?
Looks like pumpkin seed.
7. We got 7 seeds. Alright, first we're going to make the soil. We have some dehydrated coir discs here. We pour in some water and we leave it to soak up. Then we'll put these in the pots with the sunflower seeds.
How much water do we need to use?
In this case we're using 180 milliliters.
How do you know?
The instructions say.
Okay.
Here we are mixing it up, trying to get it saturated quicker. I'm going to put the soil in the pots.
After we pour the soil into a small pot, what do we do now?
Thinly sow 1 seed per pot and lightly press down to cover. Do you want to sow a seed, Jessie?
Yes, I do. Then in the middle. Like this.
Mm-hmm. We've labelled these E, J and S for Everett, Jessie and Sean. We're going to keep observing these, and if or when they grow, we'll update you and we'll transplant them into the garden. If you want to follow us on this exciting journey of seeing some plants grow, some sunflowers, then don't forget to follow the YouTube channel and like the video and comment on if you've done this and how big they grew, etc. And subscribe.